Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives that grabs Volvo cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025.5 Volvo XC90 T8 all-wheel drive Ultra. So I already have a video on the B6 Ultra, and I'm going to try to get videos on, and I'm going to be getting videos on all the trim levels. The T8 is the highest performance model, plug-in hybrid, new Volvo logo. Same, digital gauge cluster with the Google Maps built in. You have a head-up display on this Ultra, and you have the new screen in the .5. Beautiful Aura for Sweden crystal gear shifter. Put your vehicle in reverse, and you'll have a 360-degree camera system with different modes or views, which is nice. Cup holders. You have a wireless charging tray. As you can see, my phone on there right now. Rear cross-traffic monitoring, which just came into effect. Beautiful open pore wood trim. This has the Harman Kardon sound system, but you can also get a Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which sounds phenomenal in these Volvo products. You have these nice leather seats, perforated with nice adjustability using this little switch on the side. Lumbar support, thigh extension, and side support, lateral support. You have Apple CarPlay in here. YouTube built in, Google Maps built in too, of course, which I really like. It's one of my favorite things about Volvos. These newer Volvos, they all have built-in Google Maps, which is my favorite system. Little storage spot right there as well. Well, let's walk around this XC90. Seven passenger. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine with electric motor, 455 horsepower, 523 pound-feet of torque. Total price of $82,405. The Ultra will give you graphic head-up display, laminated glass, sun blinds, Harman Kardon premium sound. The Bowers & Wilkins is an extra, as I mentioned. So the 7 passengers, so you'll get like the middle seat as well instead of captains, which is cool. Oh wow, these are nice comfortable seats. You have a really big panoramic glass, which I like. This is finished in vapor gray metallic. I love vapor gray, or it might not be metallic. And the .5 XC90 has the new headlight design with the new grille, which looks beautiful. I absolutely love it. Come around to the back and you get the updated taillight design, T8 all-wheel drive badge on the back too. But a really good looking SUV, especially in vapor gray. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can put it in a sport mode or something for the test drive portion. Drive modes. The heck? Okay. I'm gonna put power for the drive modes. Battery usage. And as you also saw on the left side of the vehicle, there was a little cap to insert the charger if you want to get a little bit of electric driving range. As you can see right there, I believe you can get up to like 30 or 40 miles. But let's get it out on the road. I think this new XC90 looks really, really nice. This body style of the XC90 has been out for so long, so it's good that Volvo finally did a facelift. It's basically the same, shape and everything like that, but the front makes a big difference, and I like the taillights having the updated look, which was important. The T8 definitely pulls. It has a lot of power. 455 horsepower, 523 pound-feet of torque is no joke. Obviously this isn't like a Polestar engineered product, so the handling isn't going to be like fantastic, but it's not bad at all. As I mentioned in a lot of my videos, I'm pretty set on getting a Volvo V60 Polestar engineered or XC60 Polestar engineered as my daily driver in a couple of years, which I just really love those cars. And as I've been driving a lot of these Volvos, I really like them, especially the plug-in hybrids like this one. Amazing, best of both worlds. You get great comfort, amazing safety, beautiful interiors. The build quality feels great. I love this crystal shifter, and you can also get great fuel economy in a 455 horsepower car. And plus the Polestar engineered products will give you a sport suspension with giant brakes, yellow seat belts, and all that. But enough about those Polestars, let's focus on this car. The acceleration's great, as I mentioned. It's nice. I mean, if you're gonna get an if I got an XC90, I would definitely get the T8 for sure. You get so much more power than the B6 or B5. You get electric range, so if you like to have short commutes, you could just be plugging in the vehicle for the 30 or 40 miles of electric range. Just use that, which is convenient. I just really like plug-in hybrids. I would take a PHEV over an electric vehicle all day because it's they hold their value way better than electric cars, which just tank in value. Right? And then the plug-in hybrids, you don't have to rely only on electricity. You can use electricity to your advantage, but just have a gasoline tank. You're just going to see the pump fewer times per month, which is awesome. But yeah, this feels really smooth, really comfortable. The seats feel great. My visibility is really, really good. I'm very impressed with this Volvo. And I would also get Bowers & Wilkins for sure. The Bowers & Wilkins systems in Volvos is fantastic. And I love the speaker on top over there too. But yeah, this car is fast. Like, I'm telling you, like I think the 0 to 60 is in like 4.7 or 4.8 seconds. Maybe, yeah, somewhere around that. It's really quick because you get the electric power. I mean, I never knew. The first time I found out that Volvo recharges had 455 horsepower, I was like, God, at 533 or 23 pound-feet of torque, it's insane. But even in this like power mode, the ride feels super smooth. It's great. I'll just put it in hybrid. Yeah, Volvos are, yeah, I can't think of a much better daily driver than a Volvo plug-in hybrid. It's really nice. And if you're thinking about getting an XC90, this 2025.5 definitely stands out much more than the old one did. Just the front looks really nice. It looks unique. There's not many SUVs out there with this kind of look. The overall shape of the car is pretty much similar, but it's still really elegant. And this vapor gray color is amazing. I would definitely get vapor gray. I would get this exact spec, to be honest with you. Vapor gray on black, or maybe blonde interior, right? But it's fantastic. This acceleration is really nice. And I like this new Volvo logo. With the black steering wheels, you get the black logo. With the white steering wheel, you get the white logo. And you'll also see that logo on the key as well. But yeah, really, really nice vehicle. Nice to drive, quick acceleration, super, super comfortable. Feels great. Let's go look at the trunk real quick before we conclude the video. So here's the trunk with the third row up. These are a bunch of Volvo floor mats. But it's a really good looking SUV. I just love this vapor gray. It's so beautiful. They introduced vapor gray like 2 years ago, I think. Before that it was thunder gray, which wasn't really this same shade, but it was like more like a bluish color. But this is like a Nardo gray or Brooklyn gray from Audi and BMW. And this infotainment system is pretty easy to use as well. But overall, nice car. And also the glove box. You control it using that button. Well, thanks for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own XC90.